Hello dear friends, I am Sampada Kulkarni welcomes you in this 1 week online FDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This is the FDP organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am explaining you how to work with the material tab in the classwork in your Google Classroom. So now let's move to your Google Classroom, which is created by me as a teacher. This is the login or the user that is going to work as a or playing a role of a teacher. Now let's move to this classwork tab, on which or in this classwork tab I am going to explain you the material section from this create tab. Before moving to all these things, currently I have not posted anything, I have not released any assignment, quizzes or any material. So how the students will look or how the student will see this classwork tab that I am going to show you. This is my login where I am playing the role of student. So at the student end, if you have not posted anything, so the students cannot see anything because you have not till posted anything. Nothing has been assigned, nothing has been posted by the teacher. So let's move to the class again or the classwork tab again, and let's switch to the account where I am playing the role of teacher. So this is the classroom where I am playing a role of teacher, and now let's start with the posting the material. So in this material, before posting to the material, I am going to create a topic. So what is topic? Topic is nothing but where I have to post the material from any particular syllabus. Before that, I would like to post the syllabus for my students. So where I will go to material, and here it is suggesting that where you can add the attachment or you can create different documents over here. I will show you this ad will move to or will help to pick the document from either your Google Drive or with the help of link, or from your system with the help of attachment as a file, or you can attach as a YouTube video which is created by you or which is already available on YouTube. So with these three different options we can add an attachment. What is there in create tab? So in create tab you can create the document, you can create the slide, sheets, drawings or forms. These many facilities are given by the Google. So now let's post the syllabus to your students. So if I am posting this syllabus of the B, that is for the 2015 course. I am going to paste or post over here. And now this description is optional. If you want to give, you can give, otherwise you can leave it. Here I am attaching this document from the, for example, your system. So now from your system, here it is giving the upload option, and after uploading, in this upload option you can go to your system to give the syllabus. So this is, I am having the BE Information Technology 2015 syllabus, and it is to upload it. I will click on this upload button. If you want to add more files, it also provides you the option to add more files. It is going to be uploaded onto the your Google Classroom. So it is uploaded, and now here you can post it. Before that, you can select the classroom to which you want to post. Now currently in this account I am having a single classroom, but if you are having the multiple classroom, suppose if you are going to teach this the subject for both the divisions, that is BEIT A, BEIT B or BEA, BEB, or both the shifts we can say for our college. So here you can select both the classrooms. Here you can select all the students. If you are having if you want to suppose to post anything to any particular student, you can select only that student by unchecking this box all students, and only the student to whom you want to post this for that student only, you can select. Now currently it is having a single student, so that's why after clicking on this student it will get selected as a all student. But if multiple list is there, then from that you can select a particular student as well. So this is the facility again given by the Google, that is to particular student also you can give the material, or you can post anything to particular student. Now currently I am not posting any topic over here. If you want to, then you can do it from this also. If I am giving the topic name is syllabus, and under the type topic syllabus it will get posted. So now post, again post, it can be schedule also. With the help of calendar, it will show you the calendar by which time we can post this material to the students. And if you don't want to schedule it, it is automatically on that date, on that time, your Google will help you to post your material automatically. If you are not or you want to schedule all these things at the particular day or time, and today you are having a time to arrange all this material, you can do like that. That is, on that particular day or time, the Google will help you to release all the material. So in this way you can schedule your material as well. Again, you can save as a draft. If you are going to create different materials, you can save it as a draft, and when you supposed to deliver it, when you supposed to post it, you can go to the drafts and you can choose the option post. So now here I have selected the option post, and it is posting onto your classroom. So how it will look like? So here you can see that this is the topic where I have selected as a syllabus, and this is the syllabus which is posted by me. After clicking on this syllabus, you can see that here the BIT syllabus 2015 course PDF is uploaded and the student can view it. Now we will switch to the students tab, and where we can see the same thing over here. The student can see this syllabus which is posted by the teacher. So in this way we can post the material. Now let's move to the teacher again, and I am going to create one more topic, that is for unit 1. For example, unit 1, I want to post the material under unit 1. So what I will do, I will add this topic. After adding this topic, you can drag or drop the topics from the classwork. But now suppose I want to add the content in this what we can say in unit 1. So what I will do, I will create the material. In this creation of the material, different topics are available with me, from which I will select the unit 1. Under unit 1 I am going to post the material. So now unit 1, suppose the topic is introduction. If I want to post the PPT or the PDF or a Word document or the different video sessions, that all you can do with the help of all these things. Or you want to create your own document, that also you can create with this create tab, that is under the document. You can type the things which are there in the introduction from the unit number 1. You can prepare your own slides, you can prepare your own sheet, you can draw your own diagrams. Suppose introduction, some topics are there for which it requires the diagram, for example the architecture and all these type of topics from your syllabus, for which you can draw your own diagrams, and also you can upload the survey form as well for the prerequisites as the particular topic. So in this way you can add any type of material over here. Now currently I am adding one document for your reference. For likewise you will come to know that how you are going to use this tab, or how we are going to upload. Now here these different things are provided, or the facilities are provided by Google, that you can go to the recent and you can upload the recent document as it is if you have already created on your drive. Now currently I am not having any recent document, Now if you have already created many of the things from which you can from that all the things you have already saved on your drive. So from my drive also you can select the document which you want to share it with your friends. Shared devices, from that shared devices also you can select the thing. If you have already started the documents, then that also are available with your drive, that also you can upload over here. So now suppose consider that I am having this particular document that I want to upload to my students as the introduction to unit number 1. So what I will do, I will select that and I will add it. So in this way either you can give the document from your classroom, from your drive as well as from your machine as well. After that, I have already explained you how to use this post. There are 3 different options from which you can select the anyone. Now I am posting it, and now how it will look like for the students. So in the same way the student will also get the things like first of all they will be having the things which is posted by the teacher, and now currently posted comment or the material is also there. So how the student will work on this, student will click on this and student will able to see all the documents. Now what we can do, the next thing here, so in the teacher tab, if I want to add some more material in this unit 1, what I need to do, so again I will go to the create, I will go to the material, again I will select the unit number 1. If you want to create the subtopic, then also you can do. I will give somehow the next topic, that is say architecture, and in this architecture title I need to upload somehow the image, that you can upload it from your Google Drive or somewhere from where you are going to upload it. Now currently again I am picking the material from my drive. Suppose I am having any diagram with me currently, just consider that I am very less amount of data is available with me. For example, I am picking this document 2 as the my material for this architecture part and I am posting it. After posting it, you can see that in the unit number 1 you will be having these 2 different material available with you. Now what you are thinking, that syllabus should appear first. So to move syllabus to the upper position, if multiple things are uploaded by you, then you can rearrange them by, here you can see that here you can rename the topic, you can delete the topic, you can copy the link and provide it directly, or you can move it up. After moving it up, it will be the first topic, then the unit 1, after that unit 2. Whenever you will insert the unit number 2, here I am going to show it again the same thing, that is if I am going to create the unit number 2 after completion of my unit number 1, it will appear in the first position. But I don't want this unit number 1 as the first topic in this window. So what I will do, I will move it to the down. After moving it to the down, syllabus will appear first, unit 2 will be the second position. No, I don't want this unit 2 after unit 1, before unit 1. I want this unit 2 after unit 1. So what I will do, again I will move it to the down. Now here this unit 2 is in between position, that's why it is showing you both the option, that is whether you want to shift this unit 2 to up position or to the down position. Now I am moving it to the down position. So in this way you can rearrange all the contents or the material which is available in your classwork. So all these things are about the topic or the material. If you want to reuse the post, if you are having the multiple classes with you and if you want to reuse the post, that it will help you to go to different classes. Now currently I am having a single class with me, so that I can't do, but I am having different classes with my another ID. So suppose, yes, one more thing I would like to give you or explain you, that if I will click over here, it will show that all the classes which are available with you. So currently I am having these many classes with me, and suppose if I will go to this class where again I have created this class for the students for the batch 2021 for my BE students. And if I want to assign, now here I am again playing the role of teacher. I just want to show you how to create the or how to reuse the post. So if I will create and I will go to reuse the post, so it will show all my class rooms where I am a teacher. So different classes are there which are available as a teacher. Here 3 classes are with me. Currently I am in this class, and these 2 more classes are there. Here it will show that how many teachers are there. So these are the teachers available with all the classes. If from this class I want to post anything, suppose these are the things which are posted by me in this particular class, from which suppose if I want to give this home assignment as it is for my current class, so I will reuse it. If here I don't want to do the task again and again, if I have already done it in the previous classes, I can reuse it. So if I will reuse, I will click on the reuse. So what it will do, it will go to the my current class and it will assign as it is. So there, here you can assign it to the students. Now here you can see that again, as I explained previously, all the students by default it will get selected. Here you can give the points that I will explain you whenever I will explain you the assignment part. So this is the thing how I can reuse it, or how I can reuse the material which is already available from my class. Now currently we are on this class where I am playing the role of student. So now here you can see in the classwork all the things which are posted by your teacher are going to appear like this. Now in stream class also you will be able to see whatever the things are posted by the teacher. Now here the sequence cannot be changed because first of all the syllabus was posted, then the material introduction was posted, then the material architecture was posted. If you will click on this, then it will go to your classwork tab and directly you can see, the student can see all the things as it is. Now here in the inbox also you will see that different auto generated mails are also posted in your inbox. That is, whatever the teacher is going to post the material, for that you will receive different mails also. So don't need to go directly to the classroom, to the street, to every student. They will receive the mail and they will click on this mail and they can open it directly from the mail and it will direct it to the classroom directly. So in this way the students also having a facility to go to the material directly which is posted by the teacher. Sorry. So in this way the student can access the material. So all these things are about only the material part from this create section. I have already explained you the material, I have explained you the reuse post, I have explained you the topic, how to rearrange them. Here you can see that all the topics are available in the shortcut note or the link as well. By clicking all topics you can see all the topics over here. If you want to go to any particular topic, you can move it to the directly to that topic directly. So thank you friends for listening and watching my video. For any query, you can post your query over here. For the next video of this video series classroom, I am giving you a shortcut link in this position, and if you want to see all the videos for the classroom or the Google Suite, I am providing you a shortcut link or a playlist over here. So thank you friends, and stay tuned with Tech Talks. Thank you.